For today's video, I wanted to give you guys my honest review of this company that sent me some products to try out and give my honest opinion. This video is not sponsored by them and they did not ask me to make this video. However, I did wanted to try the products first time with you guys and tell them, you know, my honest opinion on them. The company is called FOLLY. If you guys don't know, FOLLY, it's a cosmetic company and they are cruelty-free, vegan-free, gluten-free, and free of any fragrance. And they produce their formula in Italy and France, and the co-founders are Luke and Pete. So I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the company, which I thought it was really nice that they're really cruelty-free, you know, fragrance-free, which I love that. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and then do some swatches and then finish the rest of my face. So first of all, they sent me this eyeshadow palette from, it's called Syncope. And check out this packaging. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. I love this. I love this green. And the lady in the front is super cute. I just like this packaging. Well, when you open it, it's a 9-pan palette. And then it has, you know, the mirror, and then it has, I believe, 3 matte shades, and then the rest are like the little shimmer, kind of like metallic look. So I wanted to do some swatches here, and then, okay, so I'm gonna get this color right here, this one. Wow, they're very, very creamy and pigmented. Then check out this one. Oh my god, this one's like bright, like a purple color. And then this one right here, just the black. And then the shimmers, I got this one, Nirvana. And then look at this one, Sentient. It's really cool. Wow, these shades are nice. And I'm gonna do this one, Marriage. And then this one, Amnesia, which is like a little glitter. Then the Avis. And yeah, I'm gonna try out this palette and tell you guys what I think. First of all, the swatches, they feel really creamy and pigmented. Let's see how they perform on my eyes. Next thing I got here from them is a 3 creamy matte lipstick. And then look at the packaging, it comes in 3, and then I'll show you guys the names. The names are Full House. Okay, hold on. Full House is very sleek packaging. Wow, look at this. It's really, really nice. It's like a dark, like almost like wine red. Yeah. Okay, next one right here, I have Sunset Boulevard. Ooh, okay, I like this one. I really, really like this one. This is the one I'm gonna use on my lips. This is like a light pink. Okay. And the other one, this one is Here to Slay. It's a bright red, so you can see right here. Okay, next thing that they sent me are some brushes, which I'm excited to try out. Let me show you guys. I like the red and black combo, and they feel really nice. You know, they're not like heavy and they're not like super light. Look at the handle, it's like really sleek handle. And then the bristles feel like super soft. This is, I believe, for like the contour. Then I think this one's more for like powder, because it's really big. It's nice. And then these right here are for the eyes. Okay, so I got this one, which is like the for more detail in the eyes. I'm gonna use this one. And then this one is for like blending. really like them. I'm gonna try them out. Next thing, I got a couple of highlighters. Okay, what are they? Okay, so this one's in powder highlighter. This one is a translucent green, and this one's called Snow Queen. So it's really white. And look at this packaging. It's really cute. Really cute. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna do a swatch on my finger. Whoa, this is shiny. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if this is gonna like complement my skin, but I'll give it a try. Then the other one that I got from this under this same name, same collection, it's called Fully Booked. This one's more like up my alley because it's like more like warm tone. Yeah, look at this. Ooh, this is shiny. Yeah, I really like this one. Okay, next thing, I got some blushes. This is an illuminating blush, and then it's called Euphoria. It's the collection Physical Haze. Okay, which it has a little shimmer. I like these. So you could, this one you could kind of use it for both, for like a highlighter and a blush. Maybe you could use a regular matte blush and then put this on top. Look at this. Wow, really shiny. Okay, and then last but not least, it's a bronzing blush. It's the name is Baked. Okay, let's see. All these packaging are really cute. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, packaging. Okay, so it kind of has like a little shimmer as well, but it's more until the matte side, as you can see here. So I'm probably gonna use both. I'm gonna do like a little combo right there. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Let me start with the eyeshadow palette. So as you can see, I already started my face and I already prepped my eyelids with concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the blending brush that I received from them. And then I'm gonna start, I think, with this shade right here, Swoon. Okay, hope you guys can see me there. As you can see, they're really pigmented, so you might need to go not with the full brush because they are pigmented. Wow, they look really nice. The colors are really like vivid, and they actually show on the on the skin. Also, this brush works great. It blends nicely. So I'm gonna get now this color here, Ether, for the outer corner. Really nice, and it goes so good with my shirt. Okay, so for the inner corner, I'm gonna get this one right here, Sentiment. Going a little bold today. Whoa, as you can see, they're really pigmented, and you do have to be careful. I got a little dirty here, but not to worry. And you know what I like? That I actually didn't wet my brush, and it performed really nicely, and I didn't even use concealer to make it stick. So that's nice. Wow, I really like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go off camera and finish my eye look with with eyeliner, the lashes, and everything, and I'll be back to test out the other products. Okay, I am back. I'm gonna go ahead and now put on my lower lash line some of this color. I'm going to get the Ether. Oh my god, the shades are super nice. Wow, I just love this. Oh my god, they're really pigmented and bright, and they just look amazing on the eyes. I really like this color. This look, what do you guys think? It's super bold, but it's so nice. Okay, now back to trying the blushes now. Okay, so I'm going to get now this blush, the Hot Terran Baked Bronzing Blush. Okay, I'm actually, okay, I'm gonna get this. Wow, okay, it's really pigmented, but it looks so nice. Oh my god, this is so pretty. You guys know I love blushes, and this is so nice. And remember, you have to go in with all these colors, all these products, like light hand with a light hand, because a little goes a long way. Okay, they're really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go on top of this. I'm gonna try the Illuminating blush. Okay, so this one right here. Oh my god, this is so cute. It gives that sparkle, that shiny that you need in your face. Wow, look at this. Wow, it's so pretty. I just love this. Okay, so now for the highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Translucent Dream Fully Booked Powder Highlighter. So let me see, where's my highlighter brush? Let me get the blush. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. I am glowing today. Glowing. Wow, check out this highlighter. Wow, it's super nice. What do you guys think? I'm loving this look. Wow. I am ready to go party, honestly. And then I'm gonna try a little bit of the other highlighter. Let's see, where did I put it? Where did I put the highlighter? Give me one. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of here. I'm kind of scared, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, because of how like white it is. It kind of looks like a translucent powder, but I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, no. Wow. Okay, I love this. Oh my god. Guys, this is gorgeous. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, I was honestly scared of it, how it looked like so white, but it looks amazing. Check this out. Yeah. Oh my god, I think this is my new favorite highlighter. It is so blinding. I love it. I'm so shiny today. Wow. Yeah. Anyways, I'm going to try now the lipstick. I'm going to do the lighter shade, which is, where is it? Is it the Full House? No, not a full house. Where is my lighter shade? Okay, it's the Sunset Boulevard. It's right here. It's right here. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow, it is very creamy, just like I like it. It's matte, but it's creamy, and it feels just like amazing on the lips. Very like hydrating, I would say, and it doesn't dry, so it feels really nice, and it looks really, really pretty. So what do you guys think of this look? I really loved all the products. Thank you very much, FOLLY for sending me these products to try. I really, really like them, and I think they're great. Like, the formula is amazing. So keep doing that and keep doing what you're doing, because it's great. And the fact that it's like, you know, cruelty free, paraben free, vegan free, vegan, gluten free is just amazing. I really, really like that a company can be you know, with so great ingredients, and it performs well. You know, it's just amazing to me. So thank you very much, and I have a surprise for you guys. So you guys go check out my Instagram story. My Instagram at LisManiaBeauty, and I will be posting soon a giveaway with all these products. So of course, new products, but everything you saw here, I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys. So please go ahead and follow me at LisManiaBeauty, and I will give you all the details in my description of what you have to do so you guys can win these amazing products. And I'm sure you're gonna love it as much as I love it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked my review, and thank you very much for watching me. I hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.